Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan here, your English teacher. This time I have taken chapter 10 from the book Moments, and the name of the chapter is The Beggar. So this story is about a drunkard beggar who was there drinking wine, and his name is here in this story Lashkov, and Sergei is another character who is an advocate who gives him work at his house so that he can feed himself and stop begging, and he improved also and he became a gentleman. So we will discuss here about the word meaning. Here what induced the beggar and Lashkov to change his ways? Let's read and find out. So here characters are Lashkov. Lashkov is a beggar, drunkard beggar, and Sergei is an advocate, and Olga is a cook who plays very important role in changing the life of the beggar. Kind sir, have pity. Turn your attention to a poor, hungry man. For 3 days I have had nothing to eat. And the beggar was saying, requesting that he had not taken food for 3 days, so he was asking money or food. I swear it before God. And he said that I have not eaten anything for 3 days. So for 8 years I was a village school teacher, and then I lost my place through intrigues, means through plot और थ्रू चार्जेस. सो मतलब जैसे किसी के ऊपर झूठा इल्ज़ाम लगाना, ब्लेम लगाना. तो उसने कहा कि मैं स्कूल टीचर था और मेरे ऊपर झूठा इल्ज़ाम लगाया गया था. आई वॉज बीइंग देयर क्लेम्ड समथिंग टू बी डन रॉन्ग. I fell a victim to calumny, and it is a year now since I have had anything to do. Now he said that when I was a school teacher I was blamed, and then I turned out from my job, and since that time I don't have any job. The advocate Sergei was listening, looked at the ragged means who was in a torn clothes, frond means dull colored overcoat of the supplement. So the person was dull and drunken eyes he had, at the red spot on either cheek, and it seemed to him as if he had seen this man somewhere before. So सर्गी को लगा कि इस आदमी को उन्होंने कहीं देखा है. And the beggar was wearing torn clothes and having dull colored overcoat, and he was requesting humbly. So he was in poor condition. I have now had an offer of a position in the province of Kaluga, and the mendicant means again beggar. So this is another word for beggar. So the beggar went on, but I have not the money to get there. And Kaluga is here division of Kaunch means place. So he is saying that I don't have money, so please sir help me. I am ashamed to ask, but I am obliged to by circumstances. So he requested that circumstances are here that I am requesting you. Then Sergei's eyes fell on the man over shoes, one of which was high and the other low. So उसका दोनों जूते में से, शूज़ में से एक हाई था एक लो था. And he suddenly remembered something. Then look here, it seems to me I met you the day. अब उसको लगा कि इस बेगर को उसने पहले कहीं देखा है. Sadova Street, he said. Then he remembered that कि उसने उसको कहीं देखा है. Now but you told me that you were a student. उस समय तो तुमने कहा था तुम एक स्टूडेंट हो. And this time and you were turned out due to fee, not paying your fee. और इस समय you are saying that you are a school master. So no, that cannot be. Mumbled means he spoke in a very low voice. Taken aback, I'm a village school teacher, and if you like I can show you my papers. Have done with lying. फिर अगेन ही इज सेइंग स्कॉल्डिंग, you are telling a lie again. You called yourself a student and even told me what you had done is expelled for. Don't you remember? तुमने पहले कहा था कि तुम एक स्टूडेंट हो और तुम्हारी फीस नहीं पे हुई है और इसलिए तुमको निकाल दिया गया. सर्गी फ्लैश्ड मीन्स एंग्री and turned from the ragged creature with an expression of disgust, and he didn't like that beggar. This is dishonesty, my dear sir, he cried angrily, and this is swindling, means you are cheating a person. I shall send the police for you, damn you. He scolded him, and sir, he said, laying his hand on his heart, the fact is, as I was lying, I am neither a student. Again, then he accepted that neither he was a student nor a school teacher. I sang in a Russian choir and was sent away फॉर ड्रंकनेस. और तब उसने बताया कि मैं ग्रुप में गाता था, रशियन ग्रुप में गाता था, और मैं क्योंकि ड्रिंक करता था इसलिए मुझे निकाल दिया गया. बट व्हाट एल्स कैन आई डू? आई कांट गेट अलॉन्ग विदाउट लाइंग. मैं झूठ बोले बगैर मुझे कुछ मिल नहीं सकता है. नो वन विल गिव मी एनी थिंग इफ़ आई विल टेल द ट्रूथ. व्हाट कैन यू डू? सर्गी ने पूछा, क्या कर सकते हो? वर्क, दैट इज़ व्हाट यू will give you must work. तुम्हें वर्क करना चाहिए. वर्क, yes I know that myself, but where can I find work? मैं कहाँ, मुझे वर्क कहाँ मिलेगा? How would you like to chop wood for me? He asked. I wouldn't refuse to do, but in these days even skilled woodcutters find themselves sitting without bread. Then he added that many woodcutters, they are also helpless and they are without bread. But Sergey said, will you come and chop wood for me? Yes sir. Then he agreed. Very well, we will soon find out. And Sergey hastened along, rubbing his hands because he was trapped in his own words. Beggar, because he wanted work. उसने कहा मुझे काम चाहिए, अब उसको काम करना पड़ा. And he called his cook out of the kitchen. Here Olga, he said, take this gentleman into the wood shed and let him chop wood. उसने अपने कुक से कहा कि इसको ले जाओ and just give him wood to chop. Okay students, I will continue my next video. Thank you and Jai Hind.